Hi guys, I haven't done a video on one of these for a long time. I did start collecting music boxes or musical toys a long time ago, and I picked this up in the recycling centre recently at Thornbury. Cost me effectively nothing. Came in with a box of other stuff and the total cost was 20p. So this is less than 20p. It's a child's nighttime mobile animator. I can't think what word you call it. You'd hang it on the ceiling or certainly above the child, and then off here would hang some sort of toy for them to watch, and you wind it up. This one's different to the ones I've had before because it's actually got an on-off switch. You turn it on, and it turns very slowly. And that's it. That's all it does. On or off. It's clockwork, and it turns something, whatever you've got hanging underneath, very slowly, so that your child who's laying in the cot or bed or whatever has got some sort of motion to keep them occupied and send them to sleep. It has actually got a slightly bent shaft. Don't know if that's visible. No, I don't think you can even see it. But that's it. And in fact, that should be a tight fit on there, and it's turning. But that doesn't matter. I'm just happy. Another little music box. I mean, technically I could take that off there, attach it to a pulley, and then have that running to a pulley on an axle, and we could actually have a musical car. It'd be very slow. But yeah, very happy with that. I'm not going to take it apart. I'm going to leave it exactly as it is and put it in my collection of music boxes. There'll be a link in the video description to my other music boxes.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.